So this is the driveway gate, and again came out beautiful. It is just gorgeous. That wood came out so beautiful. That color is amazing. On top of that, we added a bunch of nice decorative pieces here. We got these grills here, which are beautiful. Those decorative nails that give nice borders like this. These decorative old style pull handles, as well as those nice kick plates. I'm gonna now press the remote for this gate to open, and we'll see how that goes. And here it goes, nice and smooth and quiet. We have arm actuators on these gates to allow for full opening without taking room from the driveway. We'll walk inside and we'll see what we have on the inside. We have a magnetic lock bracket on this side, and the magnetic lock itself here for security, for secure closing. The arm actuators allow for nice and clean closing, and once they're fully closed, that magnetic lock engages and keeps the gate nice and secure, so nobody can just push them open. This is where our controller is, and as you can see, the electrical wires that are going from side to side and going to the breaker box. Now let's open it again. We'll take a final look on how it looks from the outside once it's closing. So again, one side opens before the other one to allow for the magnetic lock bracket to always move first for opening and second for closing. Now this gate works on a timer, so after about 15 seconds go by, they will reclose. That way the homeowner doesn't need to worry about it. They always close automatically behind them. That's it. There you have it, a beautiful, beautiful project in Hollywood by Mulholland Security.